If you want to quickly align objects to the center in LibreOffice Draw, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, easy way. Whether you are making a diagram, a flyer, a presentation graphic, or just cleaning up your layout, centering objects can make your work look much more professional and organized. And the best part is, once you know where the align options are, it only takes a few seconds. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a draw file open, you can use that, but if not, just start from the main LibreOffice Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Draw Drawing. This will open a new draw document where you can work with shapes, text boxes, icons, and other objects. If you already have a file you want to edit, you can open that instead and follow along with the same steps. Now that you are inside LibreOffice Draw, the next step is to select the object you want to center. This could be a shape, an image, a text box, or even multiple objects depending on what you are trying to arrange. Make sure the object is selected properly before moving on, because the alignment commands only work on the item or items that are currently active. Once the object is selected, look up at the top menu bar and click Format. This menu contains a lot of useful layout tools, including the alignment controls we need for this task. After clicking Format, move your mouse down to Align. You should see a set of alignment options appear. From there, click Centered. This will align the selected object to the center position based on the available reference area. In many cases, this is enough to place your object exactly where you want it. If needed, go back to Format, then Align again and click Center to fine-tune the position. This is useful if you want the object centered both in the page and in relation to the current selection or layout area. Depending on your version of LibreOffice Draw, the wording may look slightly different, but the main idea stays the same. You are using the Align menu to move the object into the middle of the page or selection so everything looks balanced. If you are working with more than one object, you can also select them together and use the same alignment options to make your design more symmetrical. This is especially helpful when building diagrams, posters, or presentation elements where visual spacing matters. After the alignment is complete, take a moment to check your layout. If the object looks centered and clean, then you are done. If not, you can always undo and try the alignment option again until it looks right. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to align objects to the center in LibreOffice Draw using the Format and Align menus. It's a quick technique, but it can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your document. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.